Next we are going to deal with intersection. Okay, union or a symbol is going to be like this. Intersection or a symbol, it is going to be like this. Okay, intersection. What is the definition of intersection? Intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. Okay, union or intersection and. Okay, we are going to see an example. Now example I am going to have A equals 1, 2, 3. Okay, and B equals 2, 3, 4. So what is my A union B? Union B la nama enna pannuvom 1, 2, 3 எழுதுவேன் 1, 2, 3. Then I have one extra element 4. So this is my A union B. இப்போ intersection na enna artham? It has to be there in both the sets. So both the sets na I have 2 here, I have 2 here, I have 3 here, I have 3 here. இந்த இடத்துல 1 இருக்கு. But in இடத்துல 1 இருக்கா? இல்ல. No 1 here. I have 4 here, but there is no 4 in set A. So what are all my common elements? It is going to be 2, 3. It has to be there in both A and B. Okay, elements that are in both A and B. இது வந்து intersection. Okay, இப்போ suppose disjoint sets na enna? I have A equals 1, 2, B equals 3, 4. What is my A union B? It is going to be all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. But intersection என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? A intersection B is going to be, I see that I have 1 here. இங்க 1 இருக்கா இந்த செட்ல? இல்ல. I have 2 here. I do not have 2 here. I have 3 here. இந்த செட்ல 3 இல்ல. I have 4 here. இந்த செட்ல 4 இல்ல. So what are my common elements? There are no common elements. So it is going to be null set. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? இப்படி null set னு எழுதலாம். So these are called disjoint sets, which means there are no common elements for both A and B. Adha நம்ம Venn diagram la eppadi represent panna porom? So here I have a Venn diagram. So this shaded area is going to be my A intersection B. Rendoda intersection enga irukku? That is going to be my A intersection B. For disjoint sets na I see that there is no intersection. Idu renduthukku naduvula or gap irukka? So I see that there is no intersection. I see a gap between A and B in the diagram. So this means there is no intersection. These are called disjoint sets. You see here. இப்போ இதே வந்து யூனியன்ல எப்படி நம்ம ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ண போறோம் Venn diagram? So my Venn diagram is going to be like this. I'm going to shade this whole part. So this whole region, this is my entire A and this is my entire B. So this is my A union B. So this is how you see. This is A union B and this is my A intersection B. Okay, intersection ko adhe mari properties irukku. I have A intersection B is B intersection A. Same commutative nature. Then we have associative nature. But இப்போ when it comes to null set, so இப்போ null set oda A, so I have element A 1, 2. B is a null set. எதுவுமே இல்ல உள்ள. So what are the common elements? இங்க 1, 2 இருக்கு. இங்க எதுவுமே இல்ல. So A intersection null set is going to give me a null set. Intersection na enna artham? Null set oda panna null set da varapodhu. Union panna you will get A. Correct? Then you have universal set intersection A, which is going to give you A. Universal set na enna? It is all the elements. Ipo universal set la I have numbers 1 to 10. So I have right here universal set I have numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on until 10. In the இடத்துல A வை இதுவே எடுத்துப்போம். So what is my universal set? Intersection A. It is going to give me only the elements that are in A. So it is going to be A. The examples quota you will understand it more clearly. Then A intersection A is going to be A. Then so what is going to be my distributive property? I see that A intersection B union C is going to be in the intersection rule. Distributive property நம்ம எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்? A intersection B. This is my first part. A intersection B. In the union இங்க வந்துரும். Then I have A intersection C. A intersection C. Do you understand how the distributive property works? I'll write it here. I have A intersection B union C is going to be first A intersection B எழுத போறேன். So I have A intersection B. This is inside one bracket. Then I have union. Then I have A intersection C. A intersection C. Okay, இது வந்து distributive property. So this is going to be my distributive property. You will see when you are solving more examples. Okay, please copy this. So moving on to example. Example 15, consider the sets A and B of example 12. Find A intersection B. Example 12 la நம்ம A union B பண்ணோம். கரெக்ட்டா? இப்போ இதே example வச்சு we are going to do A intersection B. So what was my A union B? I'll do it again for you. What was my A union B? I have to write all the elements. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 6, 8 already எழுதியாச்சு. 10, 12. So I have 10, 12. This is my A union B. இப்போ intersection அர்த்தம் A intersection B is going to be all the common elements. What are the common elements? இங்கே 2 இருக்கு. இந்த செட்ல 2 இருக்கா? இல்ல. So I should not write this. Then I see that I have 6 here, I have 6 here. I have 8 here, I have 8 here. No other elements are common. So I cannot write anything else. So what are all my common elements? It is going to be 6, 8. Okay, so this is going to be my common element. So intersection na enartham? Intersection meaning A and B. A union B. Union na it is going to be A or B. Okay, in the definition romba mukkiyam. It is used everywhere until your last chapter. Probability varaikum you are going to use this. Adala please remember union na or, intersection na and. Words easy ah dhaan irukku. Intersection na enartham? Rendu set ippdi intersect agudhu. This part is going to be my intersection. So it is going to be and. A la irukradho venum, B la irukradho venum. Union na enartham? I am going to have all of these. So it is going to be all of this. All of this na enartham? It is going to be union. So A or B ingeyum irukkalam, ingeyum irukkalam, ingeyum irukkalam. Okay, so that is going to be A union B. Moving on to next example, consider the sets x comma y from example 14. இப்போ இதுக்கு intersection எழுதணும். So I am going to write my intersection. So I have Ram, இங்க Ram இல்ல. So that is not going to be the case. I have Geeta here, I have Geeta here. Then no other names match. Correct? So it is going to be x intersection y is going to be only Geeta. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Geeta is in both school hockey team and school football team. This is the meaning. X na students who are in hockey team, Y na students who are all in the football team. So Geeta is the only person, only girl who is in both the hockey team and the football team. Hockey team and football team na onnu Geeta mattum da iruka. Hockey team or football team, so you can tell everybody who are all there in hockey team or football team. அப்ப எல்லாரையும் சொல்லலாம். Ram, Geeta, Akbar, Geeta, David, Ashok இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம எல்லாரையுமே சொல்லலாம். So this is the difference between union and intersection. Next, example 17. A வந்து 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B equals 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B and hence show that A intersection B equals B. So இப்போ first what is A intersection B? A intersection B is going to be, I am going to write the common elements. So what do you see? இங்க 2 இருக்கு, இங்க 2 இருக்கு, இங்க 3 இருக்கு, இங்க 3 இருக்கு, இங்க 5 இருக்கு, இங்க 5 இருக்கு, இங்க 7 இருக்கு, இங்க 7 இருக்கு. So B ல எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் காலி. So whichever is the set with the lowest number of elements, அதோட compare பண்ணுங்க. So அதோட compare பண்ணா those are all going to be your common elements. So the values are going to be 2, 3, 5, 7. I see that in the 1, I don't have 1 here. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are all not in set B. So those are all not the common elements. Okay, so common elements illana adu eludha koodadu. So I have A intersection B is going to be 2, 3, 5, 7, which is going to be my set B. So I see that A intersection B is going to be my set B. Okay, as simple as that.